In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in different languages using Gmail. We often find ourselves needing to communicate with a diverse audience, whether it's for business, travel, or staying in touch with friends and family around the world. Using Gmail, this task becomes quite straightforward thanks to its multiple language support. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your email credentials if you haven't already. Keep in mind that working on a secure and personal device ensures your data remains safe. After logging in, you'll land on your Gmail homepage. Here, you should navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a settings icon that looks like a gear. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Select See All Settings from this menu to access the main settings page. On the settings page, you'll notice multiple tabs, each covering different aspects of Gmail's functions. The first tab you want to focus on is the one labeled General. Scroll through this tab, and soon you'll come across an option labeled Language. This is where you'll make key changes to facilitate emails in different languages. In this language section, locate and click on the drop-down menu for Gmail Display Language. Here, you'll find a list of languages that Gmail supports. Choose your desired language from this list. It's worth mentioning that changing this setting will adjust the entire Gmail interface to the selected language, so make sure you're comfortable with navigating Gmail in this language. Next, let's address composing emails in various languages. Return to your Gmail homepage, click on the Compose button to open a new email draft. Within the Compose window, you can enter your email text in any language you desire, provided you have the right keyboard layout or language input installed on your device. To ensure your emails are accurately typed, it's useful to enable spell checking for different languages. You can do this by right-clicking within the email body, selecting Spell Check Options, and choosing the language you're writing in from the list. This will help you avoid any spelling mistakes regardless of the language you are using. Once your email is drafted as desired, simply enter the recipient's email address, click the Send button, and you're done. Gmail will send your email in the language you composed it without any need for further action. This way, you can seamlessly connect with people across the globe in their preferred language, bringing a personal touch to your communication. That's it for today's guide on sending emails in different languages using Gmail. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to explore Gmail's settings for even more ways to customize your email experience.